Hey guys, I'm replacing this Honeywell home thermostat with Google Nest thermostat. I'll show you simple steps how to do it quick. So first remove this thermostat just by putting little pressure and pulling off it. So be careful. So just pull it like this towards you and it should be able to come out. Okay, that's it. So you remove that, and then it has that pull tab here, right? So just pull it here. So now you have the wiring. So I see here 5 wires. Yellow goes to yellow, green goes to green, red goes to red, white goes to white. Only blue is going to C. Just remember that connection, otherwise alphabets and color of the wires are matching here. And if the wiring is different in your house, just take a picture of this, keep it aside so that you can keep it for future reference, and if you do any mistakes you can revert back to the same the thermostat, that old thermostat that you have again. So I'll just remove the screws now, and I'll remove the plate, I'll disconnect the wires, and then we'll continue with the Nest thermostat. So I removed all the 5 wires here. The way you do it is when you're pulling off these wires, just press the small knobs and then pull out the wire, then it should easily come out. So just these are like a switches, so press them like this and then pull out the wire. Yeah, and then now remove the screws and take the board out. So this is the Google Nest thermostat. It came up with this display board, and then this is the back wiring. So it's very simple. So luckily we have the same letters, right? Y, C, W and GR. So we'll use the same color coding. So if you remember, all the colors went to the same, only blue went to C. So we'll follow that same approach and then we'll install it. Yeah, so I took this one, so I removed the old thermostat. I'll put this back here and then we will fix it. Yeah, so I use the old screw itself and it's very tight. You don't need to put 2 screws actually, so you can just install it here. Yeah, after I push the same thing, the mechanism is same thing, this switches works. So pushing the wire into the hole from the side, from this side. Okay, push it from this side, not these holes. So once you push from here, just press it hard and then they should go inside. Okay, so as you see guys, I put all 5 wires back into the respective colors. Yellow went to yellow, white went to white, red to red, green to green, and the blue went to C. Right, we should be able to follow the Google Nest installation through Google Home app from this point onwards. Let me take you through those steps. So as soon as you install the batteries here, it turns on like this and it says continue the setup on your Google Home. So I'll do that now, and probably it'll ask me for Wi-Fi and all that stuff. Guys, finally I'm done with the Google Home setup. So there are several steps, I would say 15 to 20 steps. Just follow the steps, you should be able to install it. It's pretty straightforward. So finally I'm done with it. So if you tap it like this, it's, the screen is like this, pretty cool. And it looks it works well. So I set it up right now, and then that's all guys. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much.